Good morning, students. A very warm welcome to all of you. Let us start the new topic, index number. This topic I divided into 4 parts. In the first part, we are going to discuss meaning, features and types of index number. Let us understand the index number, the meaning of index number. Index numbers are one of the most used statistical tools in economics. An index number is a device to measure changes in an economic variable or group of variables over a period of time. Index numbers were originally developed to measure changes in the price level. In the present context, it is also used to measure trends in a wide variety of areas that includes stock market prices, cost of living, industrial and agricultural production, changes in export and imports, etc. Index numbers are not directly measurable but represent relative changes. This sentence can be asked for true or false. Now we'll see the definition of index number. Spiegel, an index number is a statistical measure designed to show the changes in variable or group of related variables with reference to time, geographical location and other characteristics such as income, profession, etc. This definition is given by Spiegel. The second definition, Croxton and Cowden, they have given the definition. Index numbers are devices for measuring differences in the magnitude of group of related variables. So one of the definition you have to by heart for giving the information. Now features of index number. Number 1, index numbers are statistical devices. Index numbers are specialized averages which are capable of being expressed in percentages. Index numbers measure the net change in one or more related variables over a period of time or between two different periods of two periods or two different localities. Index number which is computed from a single variable is called univariate index, whereas index numbers which constructed from group of variables is called composite index. Again, this is for multiple choice, univariate and composite index. The year for which the index number is prepared in the current year. The year with which the changes are measured is called the base year. The base year's index number is assumed as 100 and accordingly the value of the current year is calculated. Index numbers are also referred to the barometers of economic activities since it is used to measure the trends and changes in the economy. Index numbers can be price index number, quantity index number, value index number, special purpose index number. So these are the 4 types. Number 1, price index number. It measures the general changes in the prices of goods. It compares the level of prices between two different time periods. Second, quantity index number. It is also called volume index number. It measures a change in the level of output or physical volume of production in the economy. For example, changes in agricultural production, industrial production, etc. over a period of time. So it is also called as volume, that is the quantity. Next, value added index number. The value of commodity is the product of its price and quantity, that is P into Q. Value index number measures the changes in the value of variable in terms of rupees. It is more informative index as it combines both changes in price as well as in the quantity. And the last, special purpose index number. They are constructed with some specific purposes. For example, import export index number, labor productivity index numbers, share price index numbers, etc. So there the introduction is given and the types, that is structure of index number we have discussed, and the features of index number, definition, then features and structure of index number. So the question can be explain the features of index number and types of index number. So you have to give the entire explanation. Thank you very much.